go. Good. Almost mirror finish on there.
Yeah, you did, man. I said, hey, yo, this your boy Tulu, man, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Hey, that's what's up, man. Keep growing, keep grinding, keep doing your thing, man. I hope 2026 has everything in store for you that you're looking for. I almost stumbled there. But man, if everything ain't going right for you right now, just wait 5, 10, 15 minutes. Tomorrow, maybe next week, you could definitely be in a better situation. So look, chin up, keep trucking, man. All right, man. So today, it's gonna be a little bit of a backstory behind this, but today we are going to pick the new heads up for the car, man. As y'all remember in the last video, he had some heads that I was going to get. Well, I was supposed to go back the next day after he went over them and checked them and everything. He went over and checked them, found some issues. I'll let him tell you about that, you know what I'm saying? But he ended up doing some other heads for me. And pretty much I'm gonna let him explain everything that he did, you know what I'm saying? So y'all ain't just trying to say. All right, so I'm gonna hit y'all back as soon as we pull up, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all. We at the shop, baby. Oh, what's up? What's up? How you been?
Right,
man, I'm still kicking. I can't complain. Can't complain at all.
What's happening, bro?
Not much. You had got that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Man, I had made a mistake and I was like, I went and checked and looked and I was like, oh, okay, yeah, I need to send him something else. Oof. Well, that was pretty quick.
Yeah, well, you know, you said take your time. I had it done the same day.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, but I didn't want to.
Well, I dropped them off Monday, y'all. Today is Wednesday, so he had them done on Monday. I meant to ask you, too, what were you going to do with the 383 that you're taking out? Or the 87?
So, I got a guy that was wanting it, but I don't know how serious he is about it. But I need to take it out, take it apart, and go through it.
Right.
And because I'm pretty sure it's got a valve seal or something bad.
Yeah.
Is what I'm guessing. Or rings are bad. I hope I didn't melt one of the pistons. But I mean, it's got hollow snipe on it, so that stuff's pretty good about not blowing itself up.
Right.
That's EFI for dummies. So.
Okay. All right, man. Let's see what we got here. So this is that set we had. We went over them again and resurfaced them, cut probably 2,000 off of them. Did a 3-angle valve job. Got that one off. Wasn't able to get the other plate off. Right.
Yeah. But we took the springs off the heads that you had. Right. And put them in here. It's got new valve seals and everything, so should be ready to go. Good. Almost mirror finish on there.
Yeah, you did, man.
Got everything cleaned up good.
I sure did.
He goes in and, cuts the backs of the valves and then wrings the seats out. So, should be good for you, man. It should make some power.
Appreciate that. Now, hey, if y'all here in the North Carolina area and y'all need any head, motor work, they do everything. I think he even said they had a hot tank.
Yeah, we got a hot tank.
Yeah, okay. So, hey, if y'all here, once again, what's the name of your company?
My name's Matt Jernigan. I got Jernigan Engines right here in Whiteville, North Carolina. You can call me 910-200-9543. Bring your stuff to me and I'll help you out as much as I can.
Right, and man, hey, they do it pretty quick, man.
Bro. Yeah, we got the fastest turnaround from what I've seen around here. Like, most people bring me their stuff and they're like, oh yeah, well, we had our heads at another shop and they were there for 8 months and we got the heads back. They weren't our heads. They had sold our heads because he had stamped his. And I've had the same thing happen to me at machine shops before, so we're trying to do it the right way.
Hey, that's how you're supposed to do it,
yeah,
man.
Trying to treat people right. People charge too much for stuff, working on cars and working on motors. People charge way too much. They take way too long.
Man.
So we're trying to mitigate all that. I got a rollback, need a tow. I'm cheapest towing around. I'll be there faster than anybody else. So I can hook it up.
Y'all ever in the Columbus County area? You just service Columbus County? Hey.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'll go, wherever somebody needs me to go.
Hey, okay. Y'all heard it, man. All right, so I'm going to get these on out to the truck, and I'll talk to y'all when I get to the house, man. All right, y'all, man, we back at the house. I did forget to let him tell y'all about the other heads that he had with the Beehive Springs, which I truly wanted. He was saying something about when he went back over them, something about the seats. A couple of the seats were off, and he was just like, hey, I got another set of heads, we could just do them real quick, and that's that. So I mean, I wish I would have let him told y'all, but hey, we back at the house now though, and we got our new 243 heads. Well, I mean, they're not brand new, but hey, they're new to us. He got them all cleaned and spiffied up, and like he said, these are my old springs, which are not very old and everything, and the other things that he told y'all about it. These are our old ones. You see, he still didn't get that plate off. And then this is the bad one, man. It's probably because that doggone crack in there, but well, I can't, y'all already seen it though, but man, you can pure see daylight through that little port right there. But I mean, it is what it is, man. But even though we got these back, we are not quite out the woods yet. I got to get my spark plugs up out of this one and everything. Also, we got to get the sensors off of here and put on there. And I'm gonna also go ahead and do that temp sensor for that Intellitronics cluster while this head is still out. I also still have to get all my gaskets and my bolts and everything. Not truly sure what I'm gonna go with, but hey, I'm truly thinking about just going back with the regular GM bolts. I mean, why not, man? I ain't making over 400 horsepower, you know what I'm saying? I'm not, going extremely, or I'm not putting a lot of horsepower to it. So, hey, I don't really need it, man. And a few other things is, let's walk out here to the car. And then, yeah, I don't know what I want to do about that alternator and power steering pump as well. One thing that I know is if I change something up with it, we're more than likely gonna have to get another build. It's also some other things that I wanted to do right now. Like, I know I want to go vintage air, so I'm thinking about taking that box out, but I'm not truly ready for that yet. I was not ready for that yet. There's a lot of other things that I truly need to do before we actually just throw these things back on, man. It's definitely some decisions that I need to make, and I hate to, get some other brackets now, and then I have to get another built, and then I do the vintage air, and then we have to change and get another built. So I mean, I'm just trying to make it make sense. I'm definitely gonna make my decisions based on what I feel and what I'm ready to do. Yeah, man, so definitely a lot of other things that I need to get done too, especially also with this oil pressure sending unit, man. Remember when I told y'all I was having a little leak? I think that's why. So I'm gonna pretty much reposition this oil pressure sending unit. This sending unit is for the Intellitronics cluster. I am going, I got to clean it up, get all this other stuff, all, the seal stuff up off of here, get it all cleaned up, and man, get it ready just before, I ain't gonna just throw some other heads on top of it, man. I'm gonna get it cleaned up as best as I can. Like I said, I got not a lot of stuff that I need to get in before we do that, but I definitely need to make some decisions on what I'm truly gonna do right now, man. I definitely want it painted. under here. But I'm telling you, that ain't what I was looking to do right now, man. This was kind of definitely a setback with the heads, but hey, man, it is what it is. But hey, if you're new here, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell to all, so you'll get the drop whenever I drop a video. Hey, I appreciate each and every single one of y'all, man. Hey, listen, y'all keep growing, y'all keep grinding, keep doing your thing, man. Till next time, salute, salute, salute.
If you got an old school, then you got the old school blues. We just wanna